Alright, I got the pasta sauce going, and I've got 19 minutes and 33 seconds on this video before I have to go finish dinner. So this will be a short one. This is video number 2. Into the mind of Boomer Scott. If there is one. Anyway. Alright, I'm going that way. I want to know how to blow up that damn sauce. Come on, go back. Oh, there we go. Bing. Alright. There's got to be a way to get that sauce. How do I get up there? This would seem to be part of the way. Where am I? Can I make it to that? No? What about... Oh, come on. Okay, it lets me grab on, so there's... Still an overhang, I wouldn't make it. Son of a bitch, how do I get up there? What am I missing? That's under that, so there's no way. That ain't gonna happen. Okay, there's a bridge there to get over there, but how the hell do I get up there? Apparently I can't go up that trash chute. What of a sitch. Which is a clever way of disguising son of a bitch. Alright, well, just have to come back towards Boom Boom Sauce later because I don't know how to get up there. You would think maybe there? No, that's a border. It ain't gonna let me up there. This is a poser. I'm gonna have to come back for that. Oh, I did need some stuff. Are you friendlies? Or should I kill you? Okay. I won't kill you. Sure, refill me. Thank you so much for the well wishes, Marcus. Bring me many kills. Alright, pretty much the way I went, off to the left. Been all through here. Ooh, I can. Look at me go. Climbing like a monkey.
Here we go.
I think we've been through this here. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Where? Thank you. Yay, big magazine. Yay. capacity. Thank you. Blow up there. And really? How many more? Give me some whatever you got. Oh, hello. And who's left? One more. You're following me. There you are. I see you. Don't you run away from me. I got to kill you. There we go. There we go. Hyena. We are not impressed. Iron-willed cutting peacekeeper. 1140? What have I got? I got 10 freaking pistols and I don't know why. Did I already ditch the... Yeah, I don't even have the Jacobs one anymore. I got 3 Torgs? I think I'll just throw this out there for fun. I don't know. You know, if that still works. Oh, I love those converging bullets. Playful trainer, that is not me. Looks like they're getting me down into a choke point. Who's up here? What do you want? I've already been through here apparently, since the map is highlighted. What am I getting myself into? I don't know. This is the part I didn't want to go down in. Oh, cutscene. Scraptrap.
Holy crap! Those Claptrap units survived the Great Purge! Better purge them yourself.
Opening up a fun.
I feel so bad killing all these Claptraps. He's so cute. Even though he's not the original voice anymore, I still like him.
Back to the core, going out.
One more? Oh my god, how many are there?
Right? About time.
Wait, let me guess. That's the last one, and there's nothing else to kill? Oh. Hello. That is so unfair.
By analyzing thousands of hours of combat data, Hyperion Help Desk has identified key areas to focus in and has sold this information.
Shut up, robot lady. You got my money for dying. Really? Ammo's full? How'd that happen? Oh, you're the big one.
You do not want this.
Where's my caustic machine gun? What the hell did I do with it? Okay, it's number 2. Screw this. Thank you, Iron Bear. There we go. Where's the big one? SCRAPTRAP Prime. Die, you son of a bitch.
That Claptrap unit dropped its AI chip. Freddy can get that running in the constructor lickety-split. Now we just need that constructor eye.
Oh, look at that. I even got a legendary drop. What the hell is all this? Epic. Bruising perforator. Nah. What do we got over here? Searing Dauntless Boomer. Okay, so that's highly effective against flesh, which means that's going to be... What do I have SMG in the way of? Flesh. Oh, that one. There's not much I want to really get rid of. Double pent up. That's anointed, that's not. But I really like that one. Oh, that one's not. Shit. What do I get rid of? What do I get rid of? That push dog was kind of cool, but I got 3, 1155, 203 times 2. You know, screw it. I'm just going to get rid of you. I don't even know what to do. I don't care. I'm not going to think about it. Alright. Seems to shoot everywhere. That's good for flesh bags.
Unfortunately, the constructor eye is in the hands of one Tony Bordell, a ruthless gang leader who hoards shiny baubles in his fortress nearby.
Shiny
You'll have
baubles?
to do some thieving to retrieve it.
Not thieving.
Tony was once one of us. We exiled him after he went mad with capitalist fraud. He vowed revenge and
lay
has
off the
been trying
capitalists.
to destroy Trashlantis ever since.
Oh, okay. How am I doing on ammo? Full. Oh, all the way across. Well, screw it. I'm not opening chests. Come on, Tony. Oh, geez, another one of these. Are you flesh? I'll use this one if you're flesh. God, I feel like I'm in an episode of Doomsday Preppers. Hello.
Time
Thank
to
you.
open you up.
If you don't get that reference, you know, Doomsday Preppers, shipping containers, bunkers, la-di-da-di-da. No? Nobody? What are you? Okay, I can't kill you because you're already dead, so that's good, I guess. Quick Holy Man. No. No. Wasted the oxygen on the trip back here. Thanks for the arrow.
Fortress of Greed is sealed up tight. You'll have to find another way in.
Oh, you're just throwing me curves every time I go right or left. I do not know which way to go anymore. But I hear flesh bags. Something I gotta kill with flesh. It's not real accurate, but if I hit it, it kills it. Ooh, I like this. I might just really like this. If you zoom in, it does good. Holy moly, I think I like this gun. It shoots real fast and kills shit.
I spent so long trying to stand above everyone else, I never really got to stand next to anyone. So I left the clothes there with the rest of the garbage. I took the toothpaste, though. It'll be nice for us to share.
Huh? Toothpaste? What? Just, you know, I can't resist going to the toilet. From my college days. North Texas State University. Oh. Alright, where am I going? This looks like the place. I bet I have to blow shit up. Who's dumb? Not me. Ooh. Oh. Dead end? Not dead end. Okay, why can't I get in there? Do I have to? Oh. I got to crouch.
Sup, suckers? Tony Bordell right here, CEO of Trashco LLC. And you're encroaching on my turf, so I'm gonna pay these scrubs to end your dumb, poor life.
Hey. That's not nice, Tony Bordells. CEO of Trash Something LLC. Alright. I'm gonna pause it here before I go kill a whole bunch of other things. Video number 2 down. I'll be back. Boomer Scott signing out. In the meantime, get off of my lawn. Damn kids. Look at me trying to find the end record button. I found it.